going on, everybody? JBH here, and today we are staying, of course, at the Endless Summer Resorts Dockside Inn here at Universal Orlando Resort. So just today I'm going to take you around, just tour everything, tour the resort, the rooms. So hope you enjoy the video. Here's where they have the game room. So we are in Tower 2, down this hall on the first floor. Put the room key in. There's the... Alright guys, so here is our room. We actually got upgraded to a suite because we both got, both my parents and I, we both got different separate rooms, but they didn't have any connecting rooms available. So they actually asked if we wanted upgraded. So we actually only had to pay for one suite, and then one suite was actually free. So we're still next door to each other, but we just don't have the connected rooms. Right there, you can see the surfboard right there. There's the mirror. We have two queen size beds, and there's curtain. Nice paintings on the wall. Here they give a nice little complimentary hand sanitizer right there. And there's the remote for the TV, alarm clock, and then here's like a nice little, I guess a nice little chest there. And then of course underneath, I think you can put your luggage underneath, maybe. Yes, right there. You put your luggage underneath, as you can see right down there. So very cool. Of course, you have a nice big TV. Another nice little mural there. Got the phone. Got a lot of different shelving. And over here's a little kitchen area with the sink, microwave, a little fridge down there, a table with some chairs. It's like a picnic style type bench there, like table there as well. And there's a little stool. And then here is a really big mirror with his and her sink. Lots of towels down there. And of course I'll show you guys in here at the bathroom. So we have the toilet, nice carpeting. And then of course here's the shower. And they also give you, of course, complimentary, there's the soaps, the conditioner, shampoo. Alright guys, and there's Katie. But here's the other room. Another queen size bed in this room with another TV. And then over here just have a nice little closet to hang some stuff, put your luggage in there. And just having some nice USB ports. And there, I guess that switches on that light right there. It's cool, pretty nifty. Then we have a nice little summer side picture there, surfer there. And then we are actually on the first floor, as you can see out there as well. One thing I really like about this room, it's really nice and clean and fresh, because this did open back in December, so it's definitely nice and it looks so bright. It's really bright colors. Overall, it's a really good room. It's really cool that we got upgraded to a suite as well. And like I said, we're on the first floor, so right there I see that must be one of the parking garages. Got some nice palm trees right here outside here. So yeah, be staying here for about a week, so we can't wait to go all explore Universal. Alright guys, here's where you can pick up your Universal Orlando tickets, but they do have a vacation planning center right here where you can plan, purchase, and pick up. And then right here are, of course, their hours of operation. Alright guys, right over there, that is where you will get on to take the buses to all the different Universal Orlando resorts, Volcano Bay, Islands of Adventure, and Universal Studios Florida, and also City Walk as well. Definitely have a lot of different merch. Lots of lanyards, lots of pins, all different types of plush. There's all the chocolate frogs, fudge flies, toads. There's the Felix Felicis Love Potion. There's the book of lot different books, but they're journals. Here's some of the Endless Resort merch, some of their merch from the resort. Got frames, it's like a coaster, of course mugs and tumblers, t-shirts. We got socks and lanyards, pins, magnets. There's more mugs and coasters, tumblers, and some towels, and another shirt. This side they have hat, like a towel, beach bag, a sweatshirt, and on this side they have tank tops, little shot glasses, and more beach towels. Here's everything you need to know about the different parks, the weather, the hours, early park admission, everything you need to know that they have right here.
But I don't know if she wants that chicken.
Alright guys, so we're going to have some lunch now. We're having some lunch here at Pier 8 Market here at Dockside Inn. So we're going to have some lunch.
Thanks. Talk louder. They are good. I don't know if I'll be
Alright, and we did get these cups. You can get these refillable cups for your stay. And you get free refills for your whole stay. Similar to Disney, you just paid for how many days you're staying. Here's the Sunset Lounge, the bar. They have 13 beers on tap. It opens at 4 o'clock. Alright guys, well, hope you enjoy everything here at the Dockside Inn and the Summer Resort here at Universal. Hope you enjoy everything about it. Just stay tuned on the channel. I will show you all our Universal park stuff and separate videos. I'll post that separately, so be on the lookout for that. Till then guys, I'm JBH, and I'll see you guys real soon.